Alright, we're gonna go take a look at the Sprinter van electrical install. Oh, so what do we got in this thing, Chance?
It's a Renogy system with their Rover 40 Li solar charger, and then a 2000 watt inverter with a 30 amp transfer relay. So the shore power goes directly into that unit, and then you can charge the battery bank and also power outlets down the road.
All right, let's jump in here and hit these light switches.
Blue Sea dimmer. Dim the lights down, bring them back up. 2 independent zones, front and rear.
Pretty clean. What
Over
else we
here.
got here?
This houses our 300 amp hours of batteries, AGMs, as well as low voltage disconnect to protect the battery bank from being overdrawn, and a battery kill switch there.
Then we've got our inverter and charger.
Inverter, solar charger.
It's a nice cloudy day here. We're fully charged. How
Yeah,
many solar panels are up top?
We got 300 watts on the roof, and right now putting out 13.4 volts. You can pull up our
You've got the Bluetooth app connected up.
app here.
Wow.
Let's see.
So this
It
is
connects.
Is it reading in gigawatts right now, or?
What the hell is a gigawatt?
Right now it's not refreshing here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Shows you the battery temps.
Battery temp, voltage readout, solar voltage, the voltage in amps from the panels, as well as what the MPPT charge controller is putting into the battery.
And this is nice, you can check it on your phone. You don't have to crawl underneath where the bed goes in this rig, huh?
Correct, yeah. Yeah, right now we're pushing 2.3 amps.
Being used with the lights right now.
Yeah.
Doesn't really grow. I guess the Dometic is on too.
Correct. This is amperage going into the battery bank. It's not counting the loads being drawn.
So we just installed the electrical and then also trimmed it out with some birch. We're about to put the bed back in. And the next step will be galley and cabinets.
Guess we should also mention that it does charge off the alternator as well when it's running.
Yeah, we are connected.
So there'll be a inline DC to DC charger, which charges the batteries as well.
Some shore power.